Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link frames in Figma. To begin, you will learn the fundamental steps for connecting your design elements. We will cover how to transform static designs into dynamic, interactive experiences, making your prototypes feel real. This process is crucial for simulating realistic user journeys and gathering valuable feedback on your design's functionality and flow. To connect frames, first select any interactive element, like a button or an icon, within your initial frame. A small blue circle, often called a plus node, will appear. Drag this node directly to your desired destination frame. Once connected, a menu will pop up, allowing you to specify the interaction type, such as on tap or on drag. After connecting your frames, it is time to define the interaction details. First, choose a trigger, like on tap for a click, or while hovering for a mouse over effect. Next, select an action, such as navigate to for moving to another page, or open overlay for a pop-up. Finally, customize the animation, perhaps using Smart Animate for a fluid transition over 300 milliseconds. Once your frames are linked and interactions defined, it is time to test your work. Locate and click the Present button, usually found in the top right corner of your Figma interface. This will open your prototype in presentation mode. Interact with your design as a user would, clicking and dragging to ensure all connections work as intended. Refine any interactions that do not feel quite right.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.